Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Keshante Chantel. If you have been here before and you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome as well. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely become one of the followers. Join my family because I love all of my supporters, and I have gotten quite a few over the last couple weeks, and I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. So in today's video, what we're talking about is this hair, honey. So normally when you guys see me, I have I'm either in my most comfortable natural state, or either I have my lace fronts, or I have a ponytail, what have you. You guys have seen me with different hairstyles, but this is the first time that I feel like you guys have seen me with a shorter do. So I wanted to do a review on this hair. This is by Outre. And what I like about Outre, if you don't know about Outre, they're like one of the leading brands in the industry for synthetic wig. Their wigs come in braids, lace fronts, 4x4s, like you name it, they have it all. So, you know, you can find most Outre products at your local beauty supply store, or you can find them online. This is the unit that I am reviewing today. It's called the Andrea. So this one is a quick weave. What Outre prides themselves on is being able to create a hairstyle within 60 seconds. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is the specific unit that I'm using. The shade that I have is a number 4, which is basically a medium dark brown. So yeah, this one is made with premium fiber. You can pretty much, they say don't sleep on it. I've slept in them, but you do have to be mindful because there are combs in it. So for someone like me who has traction alopecia, I do have to take them out at night because any sort of prolonged tension on my scalp just causes the hair to be stressed and could potentially fall out in the area. So yeah, this is the unit that we are reviewing. So if you want to see how I got this super cute, quick, easy hairstyle, this is for the girlies that do not like to spend too much time doing their hair. If you're on the go, if you know you just really don't have enough time in the morning to get glam, but you still want to look like a baddie, this video is going to be for you. So before we jump into this video, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my online beauty family, and we're just gonna get straight into this hair review. You can just kind of start off. What I'm gonna be using, I have a really good hard brush. I also have the Edge Booster by Style Factor, and then I have just a comb. So I'm gonna start off by just kind of, I want my hair not to be so bulky that it looks crazy. All right, so I'm gonna start off by just parting off just a small section in the front of my hair, just because, you know, this is a half wig, so you don't want so much hair left out. You could just throw on and go and it's already styled. So I'm just gonna start off by just pulling my hair in a ponytail at the very back. Just pull it in a ponytail and then loop it a little bit in the back like that. So this is pretty much what the unit looks like. It is pre-curled. I like the fact that it does come in this little packaging to hold the curls. And if you want to keep the netting that comes with it, you can. We're just going to go ahead and pop that part. It is very, very curly, very pretty. This I like it because it is full. Now you can wash these, but I mean, I think once it gets to that point because it is synthetic, it's probably best just to go ahead and get another one. And then it does come with this silica packet, which typically helps to keep out moisture and mold, which I really do like that. So this is what the curls are looking like, y'all. Very, very bouncy, more of like a tight body wave, but not like super curly. The color is beautiful. Like I said, it is a dark medium brown. On the inside of it, you're gonna have the netting, and then you have these combs. Now unfortunately this one doesn't necessarily have the drawstring to it, but it does have this little part right here where if you put it on and it is too loose, you can tighten it up. I have a big head, so I don't have that problem. So what I like to do is I will flip it over this way where the combs just kind of stick out, and I attach the combs right here to where my hairline is, like so. And I just go ahead, and the bottom part has combs to it as well. Underneath where my ponytail is, I pretty much hook the combs right there. So I'll show you guys the back. This is what the combs are under here. So it's really secure. It's not going anywhere. And then we have the hair. So now what I like to do, because even though it is full, this is not human hair. Now a little trick that I like to do, you want the hair to appear a little bit thicker, you can use hairspray. I'm going to use the generic shaping spray. You can find this at Sally Beauty. Okay guys, so I did want to just pop in and say, when it comes to hairspray, in the event that you want the hair to be thicker, yes, you can use hairspray on synthetic hair, but keep in mind it will eventually dry the hair out and cause it to mat. Just keep that in mind. I like to take the hair, lift it, and just start spraying. I don't always use hairspray, but what I find is it does give the hair a little bit of texture, and you can start just kind of pulling those pieces out. So what we want to do with the front of our hair is we want it to blend in. So I'm going to use some of that edge control, and I'm just going to put it along the front part of my hair. Alright, and then I want the little swoops. I typically do those down here. So I'm going to put just a little bit of edge control right here and go ahead and get my swirlies on. So now I'm just going to start combing my hair and the synthetic hair kind of together. Okay, so basically you just got to play with it a little bit. I was able to get the desired style that I like. Again, this is going to be for the girl who doesn't have a whole lot of time in the morning. This is the working girl, or the girl that just does not like to spend so much time on her hair. So overall, I like it. I like synthetic wigs. I feel like they're so easy to style. As you guys saw, I used edge control, water, and a little bit of hairspray. I didn't have to add any extra heat to my hair. My texture is naturally curly, so of course when water hit it, it is naturally going to start reverting back to its curly state, and that's okay, because when it's curly, it's thick. Most of the people who follow this channel know that I do have traction alopecia, so wigs typically are perfect for me because my hair tends to be more thin around the edges. But again, I like this. I think that you guys can find any Outre wigs at your local beauty supply store. So I think you should check them out. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, sticking it out, thugging it out with me. If you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.